The Chinese hi-fi rivalry has finally become more interesting for Ten Hi-Fi. They made a big move to disrupt the budget segment after the release of T2 DLC. Finally, the 10C2 comes into play. But how does it sound? Let's get into the review. The 10C2 follows the infamous Harman target with an added warmth. It's an enjoyable dynamic tuning with a good balance. The 10C2 offers a warm bass presentation. The sub-bass extension is excellent. The bass gradually becomes louder towards a lower frequency. It has a pretty strong punch and longer decay. Drum instruments are weightful and pleasing due to the warmth in the bass frequency. Rumbles will sound quite deep too. Listening to the mid-tonality made me know it was natural sounding. Lower note sounds dimmer and higher note sounds more prominent, which results in a natural vocal presentation. Also, this set gives off a less shouty and less sibilant mid-presentation. But what about the cons? Despite being a good mid-performer, this set still has things to improve. Higher vocal notes are grainy and have slightly uneven dynamics. However, the 10C2 is still the best in the price range. It's enough sparkly and airy. The vocal extension is intimate with enough breath as well. High-pitched instruments presentation is among the better ones in the class with less grain. However, the edge definition is less impressive. Combined with a quite strong dip makes the treble even more hollow in presentation. The good thing is that it results in a more pleasing treble response. How 10C2 presents its stereo imaging is impressive. Music can sound deeper and more spacious because of its excellent stereo reproduction. The stereo extension is wide with an okay depth of field. The imaging is average, with quite prominent positional accuracy. Unfortunately, layering could be more impressive. Still, only a few IEMs around the same price can rival the 10C2 in stereo imaging. The overall sound definition could be better throughout the entire frequency response. The most prominent will be mid and treble. Both need definitions. The 10C2 has proven its worthiness in sound quality. It offers a warm signature, natural vocal, and a slightly airy treble. It makes the C2 a recommended blind choice for $30. 64 out of 100. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Consider giving us like and subscribe.